Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure Play Protect is enabled and you have a malware scanner installed. Now open Settings, go to Apps, and sort by last used or permissions to spot culprits. This focuses your hunt. Once done, force stop any suspicious app to prevent more ads, then clear its cache and data. Make sure to note apps without obvious names or recent installs. They often hide as system-sounding packages. This first sweep narrows targets, so you can act effectively next. You now dig deeper. Check each suspect app's permissions. Drawing over other apps and notification access are common vectors for unknown ads. If an app refuses uninstall, reboot into safe mode and remove it there, because safe mode prevents third-party apps from running. Once removed, scan with your malware app to catch leftover components and clear browser settings, plus any in-app web views. This removes ad injection from web content. Make sure to repeat a scan until no threats are reported, then reboot normally to verify. You finish by securing the device. Update Android and all apps, change important passwords, and revoke device access for unknown accounts. If ads persist after thorough removal, back up your data and perform a factory reset. This clears deeply embedded adware. Once restored, reinstall apps selectively and scan each one. If you're comfortable, use a DB to list installed packages and spot hidden names. This helps find stubborn services. Make sure to monitor for reappearance and report any repeat offenders to Google Play.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.